Hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Paige. I make videos every Friday at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. You should subscribe. And today we're going to be talking about surviving the holidays. It is the first week of December and it is the holiday season. And this is the hardest, most busy time for so many people. Between family gatherings, having to buy gifts for everybody, the pressure for each holiday to be perfect. So I just wanted to talk about a couple of things that make it easier for me during the holidays and might help you out. The first thing is to be okay with saying no. Families and friends and groups of people get together so many times. I get invited to a lot of get-togethers during the holidays, and I have to be okay saying no to some people if I'm not feeling up to it. I should not push myself to go to a party if I'm going to see those people in 3 days at the next family gathering. You know, I'd rather save my energy and be my full self at the family gathering that I want to go to. I don't know. You just have to be able to pick and choose and say no to people on going places and doing things for them, saying no to favors and bringing a homemade pie. Like, you can say no, I'm going to get it at a store. You need to be okay with saying no during the holidays. And that's what's kind of been helping me during this holiday season. Saying no. It is also extremely important to take time out for yourself to rest, relax, and practice self-care, do the things that make you happy. It is important to set boundaries with your family or friends before a gathering and stay firm to them. If there are certain things you do not want to talk about at the family gatherings, or there's certain things that you do not want to do, that is okay. You can say that, and no one should try to pressure you into anything. Boundaries might mean cutting some people out of your life and not seeing them during the holidays. If people do not respect you and your boundaries and treat you with love and kindness, then they don't deserve a place in your life or your time during the holidays. A wonderful idea is to have an escape plan when you go to parties or gatherings, which just means that you have a way out. You did not come with someone who is planning to stay until 2 o'clock in the morning. You came with someone who is ready to take you home whenever you need to go, or you have someone picking you up whenever you need to go. You can use rideshare. There are so many ways out. And another escape plan is to have a place at this family gathering or party or whatever you're at to sit down or lie down and rest. Talk to whoever is hosting the party beforehand and ask them, is there a place that I can be in your house where I can just lay down when I need to? And this will kind of make it so that you have a quiet place to go, do what you need to do, rest, relax, and can return to the party when you're feeling better. You don't have to leave early. I really like this option, and I feel more comfortable doing this at family parties than I do with friends. But if you feel comfortable enough to do it with your friends too, that's great. Dress comfortable or bring a comfortable outfit with you. I really like to dress up during the holidays, during all the family parties, but I get uncomfortable fast. If I am cheating and eating gluten, I'm going to bloat and my jeans are going to hurt, or I don't know. I get uncomfortable and I need to be in my comfortable clothes, so I bring them with me, even if I just leave them in the car, and change into them when I need to, and that helps me get through the party. And on that note, bring anything that you need to bring. Don't feel weird bringing things that you need to a Christmas party if that is what is going to keep you at that party and give you the energy to entertain your family and have good conversations. The great thing about family and friends and gathering all together is that there are so many people there who love and care about you. So ask them for help if you need it. And if you're not close with your family like that and you need to bring someone with you who understands you and will be willing to help you to your family parties, then do that. Invite your best friend to come with you, or your boyfriend, someone who will take care of you if you need them to, if you don't trust your family or you're not that close with your family. This one has been the most difficult for me this year, and it's diet. I have a really hard time saying no to food. I can say no to people, but when it comes to food, I just can't say no. And there's so many good foods at holiday parties, but it is important to treat yourself without going overboard to the point where you're miserable. And to help you do this, it's been helpful to me to bring my own safe food so that there is something there for me to eat that's not going to upset my stomach. And then I can snack on the other fun treats and just try them, or pig out on one thing. I don't know. For me, I have to pick and choose where I make my cheats. So bringing something with me that I know I can eat is important. And that's extra important if you have allergies, to bring your own food, because you don't know what else that person was making in the kitchen that day. And if you have a bunch of people coming together, you just don't know. You know. That is it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give me a thumbs up down below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button so that you are notified every time I upload on Fridays at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Have a wonderful holiday, and I will see you next week. Bye, guys.